Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I will show you a free AI tool for background removal. This website is 100% free and after removing the background the picture quality will remain the same. This picture is highly detailed. As you can see, these words are highly detailed and I am going to show you that how this tool will manage to remove the background behind the furs. So as you can see, the picture quality remains the same and the background is removed. Before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel for more amazing content. So let's start this video. You have to open your Google Chrome in your mobile. Then you have to click on your search bar and search for remove.bg. After you have opened the website, click on this upload image button. Click on browse. If you want to choose the image from your photos, you have to click on these three lines on the top left corner. Scroll down and you can choose your Google photos from here. Now here I am going to click on this picture. Wait for a few seconds. As you can see, it has successfully removed the background behind the furs. And if I just zoom in, you can see that how highly detailed the background removal is. If you want to add another background behind the rock, you have to click on this background option, and from here you can choose any custom background over here, such as these are custom made from this website. So if you want to add a background which is in your gallery, you have to click on this plus option and you can choose it from your gallery. Now if you want to download this picture, you have to click on this download option and your file is downloaded. I hope this video will help you. If so, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe this channel.